This is Narkiza reporting. Our home is our safe place, but we need to keep it safe here. Always lock up sheds and garage where you keep garden chemicals and dangerous tools. Do not leave gardening tools lying around. Make sure you do not grow poisonous plants. Teach your child not to eat any plants or berries from the garden. Cover garden tools or rainwater buds securely to get rid of them. Never leave buckets or water lying around. Supervise children's water play at all times. Keep a childproof catch to garden gate. Make sure that the child do not play the cat's sleep or dog's food. Keep sand pits covered. Always use a prom net to protect your baby from insects. Bathroom. Keep all medicines, cosmetics, household cleaners, and razor blades well out of reach children. Put them preferably in a cupboard covered with a child-proof lock. Run the bath before the child gets in and make sure that the water is not too hot. Never leave your child unattended with a bath this year. You could not draw even a few centimeters of water. Never use portable electric fire in the bathroom. Adjust the thermometer to the water. Never gets dangerously hot. Keep the toilet seat damp. Keep all the breakable objects out of reach of children. Use the cable clips to secure trailing flexors. Disconnect your television when not in use. Do not put the drinks on the table and keep alcoholic drinks out of reach of children. Never hold a past hot rinse over your baby. Make sure that the rugs do not slip under your feet. Use non-slip floor polish. Make sure shelves and bookcases are covered and cannot be pulled up and cannot fall over. Hallways and stairs. Keep hallways lit. Never leave toys lying around when you could trip over them. Check if banisters are secure and not all the small child can get between the rails. Always use the safety gate on the top of stairs and make sure it is closed at night in case your child gets out of bed unassisted. To not let your child carry knives, scissors, pointed pencils, and other sharp objects. Do not leave cosmetic, perfume, breakable nails, scissors, and with child's reach. Make sure that wardrobe doors can be opened from inside in case your child gets shut in. Make sure cupboards are not top heavy and cannot be pulled off and can fall over. Do not leave electric blanket and your child alone in the room. Disconnect and pull over electric equipment such as hair dryers and not in use. Children's room. Make sure that all equipment, table, and toys are safe. Store any toys which contain tiny detachable pieces out of reach of small children. Never use a pillow of baby under 1 year old. Never pull your child to sleep with the bib on or garment with a drawstring around the neck. Put away with bottles and containers with hot water before you tuck your baby or child to bed. Kitchen. When possible, keep your child out of the kitchen. Keep all bleach, household cleaners, and detergents out of reach of children. Put them preferably in a locked cupboard. Turn all saucepan handles inwards and flip the hob guard. Do not let your child play with the knobs. Never leave a chip pan unattended. Make sure your child is sitting at the table or harnessed in his or her high chair before you leave him or her for a moment. Always disconnect electrical appliances when not in use. Avoid excessively polished floors and lost mat or rugs. Do not use long tablecloths that your child can pull easily. Never leave an iron or bottle which a child can pull down accidentally. That's all for tonight. Keep safe, everyone.